Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your voice on Snapchat. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to change your voice in Snapchat, then watch this video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, we go into Snapchat and make a video for a story with our voice. For example, let's say subscribe to Prime Tech. After that you need to turn off the sound on the right side and then click on the microphone icon, then hold your finger on it and record a new voice. For example, like and write a comment. This way we were able to replace the voice in the Snapchat story. If your microphone doesn't work, check if Snapchat has access to it in your phone settings. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.